that is what they all say when they see me pouring some more. Oh, then gets empty again. Better fill it up before I go. Cause I'm loving it, feeling it, touch me and being it, see what I see in it.
Hello beauty, welcome back to my channel. My name is Glory and welcome again. In today's video, I will be showing you how I make this ponytail wig. I started by turning my ponytail cap in out and I used needle to attach ponytail clip just to secure my ponytail.
Messing around with it, mix it up, go with it, flow with it, let it all go. Oh Lord, think you know what I'm like, but you don't fall, you lose control. Bittersweet melody when I dance on your fly, cause I know what you don't, it is me you adore. How does it feel to breathe when you're dead? They never seen you out of your bed. Cut to the bone, it's broken, I bet. How sad. Oh boy, got so hot I forgot what I should have thought of before. Sure ain't easy for you to let off the rules, cause that's so much fun. Are you loving the feeling it? Touch me, are you in it? Don't see what you're seeing, but typical. Messing around with it, mix it up, go with it, flow with it, please let it go. Oh no, think I did it again. I said a few things that I shouldn't have done. Well, bittersweet melody when I dance on your fly, cause I.
After I finish attaching the wig clips to my ponytail cap, I turn it to normal. Then I make sure I secure it again. In this video, I use Prima Afro Cocoa braiding hair, and I use long and color one.
Does it feel to breathe when you're dead? They've never seen you out of your bed. Cut to the bone, it's broken, I bet. How sad.
And this is the amount of the hair I will be using to make this ponytail. And every hair I use, I tie twice.
Does it feel to breathe when you're dead? They've never seen you out of your bed. Cut to the bone, it's broken, I bet. Now come alive with me and quit the jealousy. I know you're bored, I know it's boring me. Now come alive, baby, get out the grave with me. I know you're bored. How does it feel to breathe when you're dead? They've never seen you out of your bed. Cut to the bone, it's broken, I bet. How sad. How does it feel to breathe when you're dead? They've never seen you out of your bed. Cut to the bone, it's broken, I bet. Say when they see me pouring some more. Oh, then gets empty again. Better fill it up before I go. Cause I'm loving it, feeling it, touch me and being it, see what I see in it. I'm typical, messing around with it, mix it up, go with it, flow with it, let it all go. Oh Lord, think you know what I'm like, but you don't fall, you lose control. Bittersweet melody when I dance on your fly, cause I know what you don't, boy got so hot I forgot what I should have thought of before. Sure ain't easy for you to let go of the rules, cause that's so much fun. Are you loving the feeling it? Touch me, are you in it? Don't see what you're seeing, but typical. Messing around with it, mix it up, go with it, flow with it, please let it go. Oh no, think I did it again. I said a few things that I shouldn't have done. Well, bittersweet melody when I dance on your fly, cause I know what you don't. It is me you adore. How does it feel to breathe when you're dead? They never seen you out of your bed. Cut to the bone, it's broke.
Now I'm done with installation and you can see my ponytail wig look full. Then I'll divide my ponytail wig into 5 sections. Then I'll braid it to give my ponytail curly. Before I start braiding, I make sure I brush all sections to make it very clean.
Jealousy, I know you're bored, I know it's boring me. Now come alive, baby, get out the grave and live. I know you're bored. How does it feel to breathe when you're dead? They've never seen you out of your bed. Cut to the bone, it's broken up, but how sad. To breathe when you're dead. They never seen you out of your bed. Cut to the bone, it's broken up, but how does it feel to breathe when you're dead? They never seen you out of your bed. Cut to the bone, it's broken up, but how sad. Oh no, that is what they all say when they see me pouring some more. Oh, think it's empty again. Better fill it up before I go. Cause I'm loving it, feeling it, touch me and being it. See what I see in it, I'm typical. Messing around with it, mix it up, go with it, flow with it, let it all go. Oh Lord, think you know what I'm like, but you don't fall, you lose control. Bittersweet melody when I dance on your fly, cause I know what you don't. It is me you adore. How does it feel to breathe when you're dead? They never seen you out of your bed. Cut to the bone, it's broken up, but how sad. Oh boy, got so hot I forgot what I should have thought of before. Sure ain't easy for you to let go of the rules, cause that's so much fun.
After I finish braiding, I take scissors and I cut all the excess hair just to make my braid very clean when I take off.
Are you loving the feeling it? Touch me, are you in it? Don't see what you're seeing, but typical. Messing around with it, mix it up, go with it, flow with it, please let it go. Oh no, think I did it again. I said a few things that I shouldn't have done. Well, bittersweet melody when I dance.
After I finish trim my braiding, I take hot water mixed with a little bit conditioner. About conditioner, you can use any kind of conditioner you'd like, as long as it's good for you. Then I put all my ponytail in this hot water.
You fly, 'cause I know what you don't. It is me you adore. does it feel to breathe when you're dead? They never seen you out of your bed. Cut to the bone, it's broken up. How sad.
And now my ponytail wig is dry. I'll take off this braiding and let's see how it looks like.
How does it feel to breathe when you're dead? They never seen you out of your bed. Cut to the bone, it's broken up. Now come alive with me and quit the jealousy. I know you're bored, I know it's boring me. Now come alive, baby, get out the grave with me. I know you're bored. How does it feel to breathe when you're dead? They never seen you out of your head. Cut to the bone, it's broken up. How sad. How does it feel to breathe when you're dead? They never seen you out of your head. Cut to the bone, it's broken up. When they see me pouring some more, oh, then it's empty again. Better fill it up before I go. Cause I'm loving it, feeling it, touch me and being it. See what I see in it, I'm typical. Messing around with it, mix it up, go with it, flow with it, let it all go. Oh Lord, think you know what I'm like, but you don't fall, you lose control. Bittersweet melody when I dance on your floor.
Now I'm done with my ponytail wig. As you can see, my ponytail wig is very full. Going to take off from this head. We can see how it looks like. One thing I like from this ponytail cap, I got it from Amazon. They come with the wire to adjust. You can adjust any size you want. And also they come with the wig clips. You can use it to hold your ponytail very well.
Cause I know what you don't. It is me you adore. How does it feel to breathe when you're dead?
I'm going to put on this ponytail wig. I didn't use HAIRSTYLE on my hair. I just brush my hair and make sure my hair lie down very well.
Oh no, that is what they all say when they see me pouring some more. Oh, then it's empty again. Better fill it up before I go. Cause I'm loving it, feeling it, touch me and being it. See what I see in it, I'm typical. Messing around with it, mix it up, go with it, flow with it, let it all go. Oh Lord, think you know what I'm like, but you don't fall, you lose control. Bittersweet melody when I dance on your floor. Cause I know what you don't. It is me you adore. How does it feel to breathe when you're dead? They never seen you out of your bed. Cut to the bone, it's broken up. How sad. Oh boy, got so hot I forgot what I should have thought of before. Sure ain't easy for you to let off the rules, cause that's so much fun. Are you loving the feeling it? Touch me, are you in it? Don't say what you're saying, but typical. Messing around with it, mix it up, go with it, flow with it, please let it go. Oh no, think I did it again. I said a few things that I shouldn't have done. Well, bittersweet to fly, 'cause I know what you don't. It is me you adore. How does it feel to breathe when you're dead? They've never seen you out of your bed.
This is the final result. Thank you so much guys for watching. I really appreciate. Please, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like, share with other people out there. Yes, so thank you so much. I love you all. Bye bye.